heater is small and cute. It has a power button to the back. This is the exhaust. There's a safety mechanism button at the bottom. This white button, so when it's pressed, the heater comes on. So if the heater is, like right now it's on, but if the heater tilts over, it comes off.
So I got this heater and I just took it out of the box and there's scratches all over it. It's all dusty. I'm gonna test it out and see if it works, but overall I feel like they gave me a used heater. I'm not completely satisfied to how it was shipped. There was no bubble wrap, nothing protecting it. It was literally just thrown in this box. So just be aware.
I wanted to tell you about this really cool little heater, the Amazon Basic. This little heater warms my whole room. I have a 12 by 12 room, and it warms it up so nice. That's my old one, and it went out. Listen how quiet. Very quiet. I live in Michigan, and my room is far away from the furnace.
Can't say enough nice things about this little tiny heater. It literally has saved me this winter. And it has like this thing here, so it turns on as long as it's on the ground, but should it tip over or anything like that. My shoe.